In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a property on Vrbo. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, let's start by heading over to the Vrbo website. You can simply type in vrbo.com in your browser, and you'll be taken to the home page. This is your gateway to a wide variety of vacation possibilities, and right now we're about to add your property to this exciting marketplace. Once you're on the Vrbo homepage, the next step is to sign in. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, just enter your login details to gain access. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a quick process of providing your basic contact details and verifying your email. With that done, you should now be on the home page again, but this time you're all set and signed in. Look up at the top menu bar and find the list your property option. This is where the magic happens. Click on that button to start the listing process. Now you're going to enter key details about your property. This part is crucial because the information you provide will not only attract potential guests, but also ensure they have accurate expectations. Begin this step by describing your property. Be sure to include the type of accommodation, whether it's a house, apartment, or something else. Next, you'll fill in the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and the maximum number of guests your property can accommodate. These essentials help guests decide if your property meets their needs. Continuing with the property details, take your time to craft an engaging description that highlights unique features or amenities such as a private pool, proximity to attractions, or pet friendliness. Excellent pictures are essential too, so upload high quality images that showcase your property in the best possible light. Think about the natural lighting, focus on neat and inviting spaces, and include shots that represent every part of your home. And that's it, you've now listed your property on Vrbo, opening it up to countless travelers looking for their perfect getaway. Don't forget to revisit your listing regularly to update the calendar, adjust the pricing if necessary, and respond promptly to guest inquiries to maintain a successful rental experience. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.